This is a DC-3, a little better view of it there. I can't actually go out. They won't let you out while the engines are running here at the Lyon Air Museum. But this plane is outfitted with the stripes that they had painted on them for Normandy. Basically, they did this so that people would know they were our airplanes and not the Germans. But from what I read, there were only 2 German airplanes that actually ventured out over Normandy. So one was a bomber and one was a fighter. And it looks like that lady is removing the blocks. So maybe this baby is going to move. So I'll just hang out here for a second and see what we can see. Looks like they're testing the rear aileron, I think is how it's pronounced. I always mispronounce that. I wonder how long they're going to sit here and spin. And now they're going up and down.